Gavana wa kaunti ya Bomet Hilary Bachok niareketie kuonera Gavana wa kaunti ya Bomet Hilary Bachok kuonera tene gutigirira ati amaudu mothe maria marata kana maracungiriria uthukangia wa rĩera kaunti-inĩ yo ni mahukio gukuna arutwo kuma thukuru-inĩ wa Moi University kuonera ati maya gukorwo makirurungana na kugoma one thutha wa thirikari kweheria kigina kia HELB kuma irima cia tumutumu kirembi ruiro nginyanagia mutamburiko wa kaunti ya Nyandarua na kuria mirori itu iragikinya kaunti ciothe 47 ni muhoko wakwa no atindia thayo guku kwa Muthingi TV ari kihumo gia utherema gikuyo ni akiariria kiuga ati fataga ni ciarikia kwihanda wega mathaa maitu makwamukira mohoro maitu ma Muthingi hwaini na ngai kunyita ugeni niguo gwihurira maria mariku thiini iria iriku ya mohoro ririkana no waraniria na ithuĩ kuri mwena wa Facebook @Muthingi TV kuria kana page ni yakwa ndita mundu kiumbe ni Kariuki wa Nduati na gitio kinene njitikiria ngumenyithie maria andikitwo mohoro matinda magikuhaririria umuthi. Na tukijiriria ni ati gavana wa kaunti ya Bomet Hilary Bachok ni oriti aikari a kaunti no kuhanda mite itemine ria kurira maria maturigiceirie maya mokite thutha wa ndereti ya ucenjia wa riera gukorwo yakiriirie na njira nene guku na kana guothe bururi-ini. Bachok ni ongereire ati mathina maria mari guku bururi-ini macungiririo ni utemi wa mite guku akiuga ati ikinya ria gukorwo aikari bakihanda mite ni guteithiriria makiria hari gucokia imerana hari aciari. Reke twamukire riboti iyo.
It's an issue that all of us need to take seriously and address, starting with ourselves as individuals. Bomet County Government has put strategies in place to ensure that we make our own small contributions, at least to minimize the effect and the impact of this climate change, not only in Kenya, but in the world, because all of us have to make our own contributions. I'm very happy as a governor of Bomet that we are making an impact in that area. We've been able to raise our tree cover in the last 3-4 years to 22%, which is well above the target that has been set for ourselves as a country. So currently we are in talk, even with our assembly, so that we ensure that we sensitize our people, especially the farmers, to plant, we normally call them fruit trees. So we'll be able to raise our tree cover. At the same time, out of this tree cover, we'll be able to harvest fruits that can be sold and ensure that we have money in our pockets.
na tugithie na mbere ni atiriri bururi urakungwira muthi wa andu aria makoragwo na murimu wa sukari hamwe na thii yothe aikaria mukuyu guku ni kaunti-ini ya Murang'a ni meyumiritie na guthomithio horo wigie murimu uyu ni urigitani urehetwo hamwe ni senator wa kaunti ya Murang'a Joe Nyutu na kuria oriti aikaria kaunti yo ati njira imwe ya guteithiriria kumenya kana wina murimu wa sukari ni gwitikira guthiaga kliniki na guthimwo mahinda kwa mahinda aritio na one rutha wa thibitari wa Kenyatta kunyitanira oro hamwe na thirikari ya kaunti itemi-ini ria gutigirira ati ugima wa mwiri no watambio na njira ithiranite kaunti-ini ya Murang'a. Reke twamukire riboti ino na njira ithiranite.
We have seen the records that are here, and it's true. Very many people have high blood sugars, that is diabetes, and their blood pressure is very high, they're hypertensive. And I think I also want to thank the county government because when we brought this idea with Divan, we called them and they agreed that they were going to cooperate with us in order for them to bring their staff here to assist Divan and the other members that they brought so that our people can receive those services. We want to call upon our people to have everyone undergo tests so that if your blood sugar levels are high, you may start treatment. You may start being on the right nutrition.
And I want to encourage our people, go to our hospitals. Dr. Kangata has ensured that our hospitals have the right medicine, both for hypertension and both for diabetes. So that when they are sent to our hospitals, these medicines are available. So mtu asikae nyumbani akiona ni kama hakuna dawa.
A lot of diabetic patients around, many of them who actually don't even know that they are sick, because people normally wait to feel some pain somewhere. These diseases usually do not cause pain. The only way you can know is to get yourself screened, and that is what we are doing today here, courtesy of our partners Broadways. So we are encouraging all the residents of this area and neighboring areas to come and get screened. Screening is being done for free.
The idea with this campaign is to sensitize everybody about the dangers of consuming too much sugar and the risks of having too much sugar in your diet. So all our products have low amounts of sugar, and they always have had. They are not sugar free. I stress they're not sugar free. They have low amounts of sugar.
Tugithie na mbere ni ati ruhonge rwa kuramata thoguri ya macani guku bururi-ini KTDA ruri mihang'o-ini ya guthuthuria uria mangihuthira hinya wa riũa kana mangihuthira hinya wa riũa matangi-ini ma macani niguo kugitira utemi wa miti iria ihuthagirwo maita maingi na ngo. Chairman wa kuramata ucenjia wa riera ruhonge-ini rwa KTDA niwe uheanite uhoro uyu guku akiuga ati utemi wa miti ni umwe wa maundu maria macungiririe riera gukorwo rigicenjia muno, oho thoko ino igakorwo ikihutio na njira nene.
Ni uhoro wa mati riera ni ricenjetie muno kuringana uria turona twira haha kwina andu makiria milioni 4 mena ngaragu, na ni undu wa climate change, ni undu wa riera gucenjia. Ona ithio andu a macani ni turamenya ati athomi aria mathomete muno horo wa climate change ni magutwira tuhota gugakorwo tutena macani mwaka wa 2050. Koguo sign kana dalili cia climate change ni turona tondu na guku njũĩ citũ itiraruta maĩ ũrĩa ciagĩrĩirwo, na mbura ũrĩa yokaga tu yoka. Na ithuĩ twĩ KTDA na ithuĩ nĩ twĩrutĩte kũhanda mĩtĩ nĩgetha ĩrĩa yothe tũratema na tũcoke tũmĩcoke. Na nĩ ũndũ wa hydro ta ĩno ya gwitũ na Tumi hydro project nĩ twĩrutĩire kũhanda mĩtĩ milioni 1 thĩinĩ wa rũĩ rwa Mathioya nĩgetha tũcokie maĩ marĩa magĩrĩirwo meho na kũgitĩra rĩera rĩikare rĩrĩ. Riũa rĩngĩkorwo nĩ rĩkũhota kũtũnengera hinya wa thitima, naguo no tũkũnyitĩrĩra, no tũtakinyĩte hau nĩ tũkwenda kwamba kũhanda mĩtĩ mũno ũrĩa kũngĩhoteka. Na gũkũ gwitũ tũrambĩrĩria na mĩtĩ milioni 1. Twĩna mũbango ũngĩ mwerũ wa kunyitithania factory cia Murang'a ciothe kuma metumina gura hydro project tuthagire thitima itu twina muradi ucio.
Riboti yo kuma kaunti-inĩ yo nĩyo ikwamba gũtũikia ikereka-inĩ ritũ rĩa mbere rĩa gũikĩria twambe twĩkĩrie no nĩ tũra ũndũ kana ndeto makĩria gũkũ nĩ kwa Muthingi TV arĩ kĩhumo gĩa gũtherema.
Welcome, you're watching Look Up TV. On this show where we invite masters, captains of industry.
It's all about working in teams. Customers are happy, it's a good month, the markets are good. I mean, those are very exciting moments.
Ladies and gentlemen who tell us where and how to find money and put money in our pockets and how to go about doing business in the best possible way.
For me, I'm not serving myself, I'm serving community.
Thengiũ mũno nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere na kũnyitanĩra kana thengiũ mũno nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere na kũnyitanĩra na ithuĩ mohoro-inĩ maitũ ma Muthingi hwaĩ-inĩ. Tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ rũrĩrĩ rwa Toroibek gũkũ nĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Nakuru gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa Rift Valley nĩ rũhoete thirikari kũmatambũra ta ndũrĩrĩ iria ingĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, makĩaria na andĩki a mohoro maugĩte atĩ matũrĩte matarĩ kũrĩa mangĩta kwao thutha wa gũkorwo atĩ nĩ makoretwo matirikĩtwo nĩ ũtongoria wa thirikari iria cianahĩtũka hau gabere. Mwandĩki witũ wa mohoro gwĩtwo Timothy wa Murugi nĩ gũcerete itũra-inĩ rĩu na tũharĩrie riboti ĩno.
Basi kwa majina naitwa Paul Kiprotich Mosbey, mwenyekiti wa kitaifa wa Toroibek Community Association of Kenya. Tuko hapa na jamii ya Toroibek Community tukililia serikali ya kwamba ili aweze kutupatia makao na kutupatia compensation ili watu yetu wakae kama watu wengine katika nchi yetu ya Kenya.
Nĩ mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa rũrĩrĩ rwa Toroibek Paulo Mosbey agĩikia na kũrĩ thirikari kũmaririkana na kũmatambũra ta ndũrĩrĩ iria ingĩ. Rũrĩrĩ rũrũ rwa Toroibek na rũrĩa rũikaraga gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa Rift Valley icigo-inĩ cia Mau kaunti ya Nakuru maugĩte atĩ matigirwo matarĩ ũikaro thutha wa mĩgũnda yao gwĩtahĩrwo nĩ athũngũ, makiuga thirikari cia hau kabere nĩ ciamatirikire.
Sisi tumeathirika sana tangu enzi ya wasungu mpaka saa hii. Serikali yoyote ambayo imepita hajawahi kutuangalia vizuri vile ambavyo inatakikana mwananchi wa Kenya akae vile.
Gũkĩrĩ ũguo nĩ maikĩtie rĩtana kũrĩ thirikari kũmaheaga mĩeke ya mawĩra ũtungata-inĩ wa thirikari ta ndũrĩrĩ iria ingĩ, makiuga harĩ kinya ũthii wa na mbere marĩ o thutha.
Serikali yetu tukufu iliteua viongozi wa kutoka ngazi za juu. Hata wakati wa uteuzi wa MCS tungehitaji tupatiwe moja, sababu sisi ni marginalized. Hii uteuzi kama ya PS na kadhalika sote kama serikali inavyohitaji.
Oho nĩ maugĩte atĩ matũrĩte matarĩ kũrĩa mangĩta kwao, makiuga matũrĩte maica ma gũkombora.
Jamii ya baba yetu ilikuwa ni Toroibek, lakini walisahaulika. Tukajaribu kupata hii Wandorobo naitwa Wandorobo. Tunaishi na hawa tukiwa wachanga mpaka wakati huyu. hatuna usalama, hatuna nini, hatuna mahali tunakaa, ni kukaa tu kwa wenyewe. Wazazi walituacha, tukakaa tuko kiwanja, saa hii ni uzee, hakuna mahali. Watoto ndio hiyo wanasoma, hakuna shule ya kutosha, hakuna pesa. Juu maisha yetu yote ya pesa ile tumefanya ni ya kukomboa manyumba hadi mpaka saa hii.
Handũ-inĩ ha Muthingi TV rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Murugi.
Nafikiri
thegio muno mundu gwitwo ti Mwangi wa Murugi ni riboti iyo na warutwo kuma university-ini wa Moi marutite mukana wa kururungana mururungano wa thayo kuri ruhonge rwa HELB aruti gukorwo rukirekereria kigina giki kia HELB na kiria gikoragwo giteithĩrĩria arutwo aingĩ na mathomo mao. Arutwo aya maugite ati ikinya rĩo rĩa kwendekithia kugucokio gwa kigina giki nĩrĩringĩte ihiga makiuga ati korwo HELB ndĩgũkorwo igĩcokio mathukuru-inĩ arutwo aingĩ hatakĩrĩ nganja nĩmegũkorwo magĩtiga mathomo mao.
Wetu ni kwa Wizara ya Elimu kuweza kuharakisha mikakati ya kuachilia pesa za HELB ndio wanafunzi wetu waweze kulipa karo, waweze kulipa ada za nyumba zao na pia kufanya mambo yao vidogo vinavyowawezesha kueneza masomo yao kwa utaratibu unaofaa.
Kulingana na rais amesema ana support youths, na sisi youths kitengo chetu saizi ni wanafunzi, na vile anaweza tu support ni kuprovide HELB loan kwa wakati unafaa. Kwa hivyo sisi hatutangoja kwenda kufanya kazi mtaani, hiyo haitufai. Sisi tuko hapa tusome ndio tukuje tufanye kazi kwa serikali. Kwa hivyo akikosa kutufadhili sisi, bas our future is killed, and you kill the future of the youths, you kill the country.
Tunateseka sana kama wanafunzi. Every day they are complaining about insecurity in the country, na bado tunaona like they are taking the necessary steps to kufanya insecurity at least reduce. You never know, we are like you can find even some of those thieves, they are young people.
Tugithie na mbere ni ati no aikari a Oloropil guku ni kaunti-ini ya Kajiado ya ithowiro riu mari na itumi ciothe cia gukena na ni thutha wa gwakirwo thibitari ya kiriu na iria ikumateithĩrĩria hari kwamũkĩra ũrigitani. Aikari aya ni mataririe ruo ruria makoretwo makigerera ni wagi wa thibitari. Thibitari uyu wakitwo ni ngwataniro ya Chance Live iri nyitanĩire na thirikari ya kaunti ya Kajiado. Riu aikari aya magithie na mbere na kuga ati mari na mwihoko munene wa kuninirwo mathina maria mageragira kana maria maratuire magereire.
Wetu ni kwa Wizara ya Elimu kuweza kuharakisha mikakati ya kuachilia pesa za HELB ndio wanafunzi wetu waweze kulipa karo, waweze kulipa ada za nyumba zao na pia kufanya mambo yao vidogo vinavyowawezesha kueneza masomo yao kwa utaratibu unaofaa.
Kulingana na rais amesema ana support youths, na sisi youths kitengo chetu saizi ni wanafunzi, na vile anaweza tu support ni kuprovide HELB loan kwa wakati unafaa. Kwa hivyo sisi hatutangoja kwenda kufanya kazi mtaani, hiyo haitufai. Sisi tuko hapa tusome ndio tukuje tufanye kazi kwa serikali. Kwa hivyo akikosa kutufadhili sisi, bas our future is killed, and you kill the future of the youths, you kill the country.
Tunateseka sana kama wanafunzi. Every day they are complaining about insecurity in the country, na bado tunaona like they are taking the necessary steps to kufanya insecurity at least reduce. You never know, we are like you can find even some of those thieves, they are young people.
Hatakĩrĩ nganja riboti kuma kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Kajiado nĩ gũkorwo igĩtũtirihĩra mohoro maitũ. Gũcokeria ngatho we watũrana na niĩ mohoro-inĩ maitũ ma Muthingi hwaĩ-inĩ nginyanagia mũthenya wa rũciũ ngakwendithĩria ũtukũ mwega wa irathimo cia Ngai iria kwandicĩnjĩtie no indo wa njeta Kariuki wa Nduati. Nĩngũkorwo ngĩtĩka gũkũ nĩ kwa Muthingi TV arĩ kĩhumo gĩa gũtherema. Ngai njega.
Hi there, marito makwa ni Magi Wambogo. Muthenya wa umothe ndoka kumurehera project itu ire twinayo Njero ina Nyuki ireto Great Oasis Gardens na Nyuki, na project ino iroketetwo ndagika 10 tu kuma Cedar Mall na tore direct opposite Mount Kenya Wildlife Estate at Olpajeta. Ningi nitugutetie barabara ya Nanyuki Rumuruti Road na barabara eno negwikirwo rami ni thirikari. Koguo wona wa invest thini wa project ino goka kuma tauni ya Nanyuki kana kuma Rumuruti kuri ori koragwo kiuma ni ndagika nini muno gukinya project ino. Nituratanya gukorwo na GMC Entertainment Center tere tukoragwo nayo Kitengela, nituratanya gukorwo na police post, nituratanya gukorwo na kiwanja gya ciana gya guthakira playing ground, na nituratanya gukorwo na community ground. Na wona wa invest thini wa project ino maundu mamwe mamaria tureka thini wa project ino nitugwaka itangi nigetha project ino yothe tuka make sure ati andu aria mara invest hari mai ni marakorwo makiflow. And then undu gitureka niturekira faraishi maraming, twasheka maraming nigetha ukahota ku access project ino live, ukahota ku access plot ya kuraithi, na twina caretaker thini wa project ino uria urakorwo ku 24/7. Maundu maria ungihota gwika thini wa project ino no uhote gwaka nyumba ici cia holiday homes, no uhote gwaka mall, no wake apartments. Then undu uria ungi ningi mwega muno wa project ino ni gukorwo atiriri tondu ehutitie barabara ino ya Nanyuki Umuruti Road, no uhote gwaka petrol station. Phase iria twina cio thini wa project ino ri twina 8 cia 50 by 100, twina quarters cia 100 by 100, twina no ugure nuthu acre, no ugure acre, no ugure acre idano. Namba yakwa ni +254 722 355 107. Goko activate tukauga tigane inywe tutigikinyite ha tukinyite na tukamucokeria ngatho muno na nitumutete na nituruga ati Ngai amurathime na arathime wira wa moko manyu. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Welcome, you're watching Look Up TV. On this show where we invite masters, captains of industry.
It's all about working in teams. Customers are happy, it's a good month, the markets are good. I mean, those are very exciting moments.
Ladies and gentlemen who tell us where and how to find money and put money in our pockets and how to go about doing business in the best possible way.
For me, I'm not serving myself, I'm serving community.
Kwagia mairia o muthenya,
nyitanira na ithue mohoro-ini mathuthurie mathorime na makinyaniru
kuma kaunti ciothe 47 guku bururi-ini oro hamwe na nja ya bururi,
tukimumenyithia ciegie
uteti.
Congratulations on your election.
Urimi,
biashara,
mathako na mangĩ maingĩ. Nyitanira nanie Wangari wa Njoroge,
nanie Kariuki wa Nduati,
tugikumenyithia maria marakunuka mohoro-ini ma Muthingi TV,
kihumo gia gutherema.
Hi there, marito makwa ni Magi Wambogo. Muthenya wa umothe ndoka kumurehera project itu ire twinayo Njero ina Nyuki ireto Great Oasis Gardens na Nyuki, na project ino iroketetwo ndagika 10 tu kuma Cedar Mall na tore direct opposite Mount Kenya Wildlife Estate at Olpajeta. Ningi nitugutetie barabara ya Nanyuki Rumuruti Road na barabara eno negwikirwo rami ni thirikari. Koguo wona wa invest thini wa project ino goka kuma tauni ya Nanyuki kana kuma Rumuruti kuri ori koragwo kiuma ni ndagika nini muno gukinya project ino. Nituratanya gukorwo na GMC Entertainment Center tere tukoragwo nayo Kitengela ni turatanya ukorwo na police post ni turatanya ukorwo na kiwanja gya ciana gya guthakira playing ground na ni turatanya ukorwo na community ground na wona wa invest thini wa project ino maundu mamwe mamaria tureka thini wa project ino ni tugwaka itangi nigetha project ino yothe tuka make sure ati andu aria mara invest hari mai ni marakorwo makiflow and then undu gitureka ni turekira faraishi maraming twasheka maraming nigetha ukahota ku access project ino raithi ukahota ku access plot ya kuraithi na twina caretaker thini wa project